to know that there is a wonderful, extraordinary building in the Swiss Alps, an award-winning, also sustainable construction award-winning building. I thought that the best way to convince journalists, convince architects that it's possible to have a building in such an extreme weather condition that has no green, but is self-sustained, but is really good for the nature, and in the meantime provides the comfort of the most modern life. So this is the Monterey Park. So what to do? Let's organize an expedition to the Swiss mountains. Do I look like a mountaineer? I'm not. Is there any mountaineer here? No. Okay, so we all do not know what does it mean to cross a glacier. I was told that it's extremely dangerous. I thought that the glacier is like there is a big ice, and sometimes there are, just really dangerous areas when you can fall down. No, that's not the case. You can fall down everywhere, every time, and you can hardly find some places to step on in safety. Okay, so we went there, and what we could see there. Look at the red arrow. The top of the red arrow shows the level of the glacier. It was 100 years ago, and the tip of the arrow is the glacier level today. This gap is 300 meters. What does 300 meters mean? By car it's nothing, on foot it's nothing, on high hill might be a bit longer, but when you have to climb down on a metal ladder, climbing like this, and praying for survival, then you do understand what it means. After that, you cross the glacier with a lot of falls and the danger and so on, and then you have to climb up on the rocks with 300 meters. Then you really do understand what does it mean, the decrease of the sweet water closed in this glacier, the loss of the sweet water it could achieve in 100 years. So this is the moment when I thought that I saw that. So it's over. I have to tell it to everyone, and I have never wanted to stop this and reverse. So today I will talk shortly about where I'm going. These are the values. I will also explain that there are ways to change, and also provide you some tools, some more information you can use. So where are we going? During the pandemic, we were told that just wash your hands and everything is going to be okay. This is from the Economist cover. But we could already see that the recession will be there and the climate change. But we did not even see the possible collapse of the biodiversity and the impact on us. So based on the World Business Council report, the three really hot topics of urgent sustainability issues to tackle are the climate change. I think everyone who is sitting here knows what climate change means. But do you know that we have already exceeded the 1.5 plus temperature average increase? It's over. The Copernicus report was issued in the EU recently. It shows that the 1.5 scenario does not exist anymore, and maybe another 2 degree one. These scenarios were acceptable for humanity. What is above them will cause even more dramatic changes we are facing today. And the European Investment Bank has also had a survey, and the recent results said that 94% of the European citizens know that are aware of the importance of climate adaptation. And 50% of them says that we should spend more money on that. When I first started to study climate change, my eldest granddaughter was just listening to me together, the woman very well. And when it was about the melting ice on the North Pole, she immediately cried and asked me, where will the Santa Claus live then? She understood it. And now, 28% of the European citizens who responded to this survey plan